Hello guys, okay, my name is TMNmedia. This is just a channel I created for people to subscribe to. You can search Telegram for TMNmedia Trading and you can subscribe where you can get updates on uh, all the things that are happening in my group, in my training program, what and what. You can see all the progress I've done. Now, the essence of this, and then sometimes you see my daily post of some of my daily trades. Now, I want to just share with you so that you get to understand that it's not difficult. Some were wondering, how long have you been doing this? This is a screenshot from like uh, 2014, about 3 years ago. Uh, about 2014. Now this is 2016. Right now we are in 2019, which is almost 4 years ago. Now says turn $10 into 150 or more within a day, and a sure way to make passive income. I have benefited and withdrawn from the platform. With a video guide, you will learn to do it yourself. Not a get-rich scheme or for greedy people. If interested, message me. Now, as at this period, I've never mastered how to overcome my greediness. Greediness was a problem. So I couldn't really teach more people. Why? Because I was very greedy. I was very greedy, and I know every other person too is very greedy. So it's not today. It don't take away. We don't do this thing. So I've been trading binary even before I started training people on Bitcoin. These are some of the trades. This is an Abuja program coming. I think I only have one spot left, and then maybe two for online. Now, this is free testimony for the free training. Some of you, I recommend and I tell you, go and watch the free training. You are wondering whether it's working or not. It's something I've been using, and I give it out for free. Free information never has value anyway. Okay, sir. I look forward to joining your training, sir. I also watch your free video on YouTube on over 20%, and I practice it, and it's really working, so that you get to know that it's working. It's not a one time. These are another students rocking it, made over 200%. It said it grew from $50 to $189. It grew from $50 to $189. So you need to understand, is this thing working? I bet you that you cannot have over 400 students and then they are not making money. They are going to fry you. If you think it's possible, now this promo offer already expires today. Now these are testimonials. Look at them. 30%. These are from students, from the executive. I'm having one-on-one training, executive training with people. We're having one in Abuja, and we'll have the next one in September in Lagos. You can see they've started making profit from small capital. $30 profit, $45 profit. I'm not talking about you making the profit, leaving it there. You withdraw. It turns to physical cash. You withdraw. You can see withdrawal successful. Now, this is $45 profit. This is 100K profit. From how much? $118. $100K profit. This is withdrawal. It withdraws in Bitcoin. You can see the Bitcoin withdrawal 0.032. That's a withdrawal. We don't talk about, you can see July executive. This is July. People who started theirs in July, they've already started making 100K. So do you think if somebody is making 100K, 1 million is not possible? 1 million is very possible, far more than possible. Now, these are trades growing from $15 to $75K, 60,000 profit under 10 minutes of trading. Now, see results from students. This is in pounds. You can see these are all real accounts. It doesn't matter if it is small. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. You can see them saying they are done. As at this period, I think you can see here 305 members. Already right now, I have over 400 students. So you can see how results, another 100% target profit. Sometimes I don't even know how many of them I can share. These are students' testimony. You can see real accounts. They are student testimony. They cannot be faked. Above 100%. See withdrawal. This is withdrawal. $100 withdrawal. Withdrawal successful. I'm not talking about you not making money. You have to make the money. These are withdrawals. These are withdrawals, profits. So you need to understand, is this thing doable? This is way back, way back. See when I had 95 members. You can see way back. So is it possible for you to make profit? Yes. A student making profit? Yes. See them. This is Bitcoin. You cannot fake Bitcoin. You cannot fake Bitcoin. You try and fake dollar, but you can't fake Bitcoin. Student testimonials. You can see them making profit. You can see profit, 200K profit, 100% profit. See 100% profit, over $1,000 in profits. See $50 every two days. The guy is withdrawing $50, 50 euro every two days. So you are still there doubting. See student withdrawal $100. I'm showing you way back so that you understand that it is real and it works. These are student testimonial, not my testimony. When you see anything like this, these are my own trades. See, you trade, but don't overtrade. There are rules. There are rules to follow. Slow and steady. I started with $10. You can see this person started with $10. Now he has over $22. He has made 100%. Slow and steady wins the race. These are student results, profits. They are making profit on real accounts. 20K into 105. These are real trades. Anybody can do this. Everybody can do it. Don't start thinking it's not possible. When I mean anybody can do 18K into 200K. These are different days. Check the dates. You'll see different days. 50K to 300 to 111K. These are all different days. Now, I converted a $9 account into 28. He made $15 profit. It's slow and steady. Slow and steady. You can see students withdrawing, making withdrawals. You can see withdrawals. See withdrawals. This is over 100K withdrawal. You need to understand, does this work? Yes, it does. See students' profit. You can see profit margin. Student who listens will make money. Student who don't listen, who's trying to prove smart, they won't make. That's how easy it is. You can see these are testimonials from my students. As little as it is, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, slow and steady wins the race. By the time you start making it slow and steady, you will get there. Slow and steady, you will get there. $100. This is 100K. 36,000. $10 into 128. You learn, you practice, then you earn. There are just 4 basic requirements. Once you have them, you are good to go. This is TMNmedia Trading. Anybody can do it. Anybody can do it. Anybody can do it. $100 daily profits. This again, you see, it's not just now we started. Now look at this student, for instance. He said, I made $1,500 profit in 3 days. Now, Mr. Faith gave me this strategy. I learned it, and now it's just as if I'm printing money from binary. Thank you so much at TMNmedia Faith. I made $1,100 in just less than 3 days of consistent trading. My people, you guys should follow the trading guide Mr. Faith gave us, and you will become a success in no time. Just be patient with the process. You see, you have to learn. Most people think it will just happen all of a sudden. No, guys, it won't happen all of a sudden. You have to learn. This is from July 19th, 2019. It's just very recent. Now, you have to learn the process first. Learn the process. Learn the process. You learn, you practice. That's my daughter there, and that's me there in the picture. So you can see people growing $50 into 189. Anybody can do this. Anybody can do this. Slow but steady. You can see lots of testimonials. You can see all of them. So I'm encouraging you. You want to start, you want to learn. Please, all you need to do is to have this basic requirement. What are the basic requirements? Just 4 of them. Mobile internet, 1 hour dedicated trading capital, and one-time training fee. Call the number showing on your screen to get started. God bless you, and I'll see you another side.